At the salon, my country people them. At the salon, my country people them. Any man we don't come on, we try for share. We try for share. Today na a very serious message. You are going for pass and for una share. Share. Any person we don't be connected, me start for share, so that the rest could fit join us on the platform. Facebook page DDR Cameroon. We are the talk for DDR Center Boya. My name na at Kingsley at Tabonga Fak, King of Red Dragons for the BLM. The original King of Red Dragons. Today na May 10, 2020. Oh, today so. What is salute all my way there for the platform. At the salute all my ex-combatant them they did for DDR Center Boya. The salute them for Bamenda. At the salute all countrymen we there for the platform. At the sit down again the Cameroon government for my amnesty. At the apologize for the entire population for Northwest and Southwest for the damage we don't cause them for our own parents and sisters and so on. The salute Yannick Kawakawa, the salute Clovis, the salute Yannick Sikot, the salute General Nambere. Then I will run up say Igwe, King of Black Lake, where in a credit platform ya cafe day for up. My country people, I don't vex fine before I come today say my talk for una. Yes, I don't vex fine before I say my come today talk for una. If some people they say take me clown, I tell una say I be the king of Red Dragons for the BLM. If he did, let's say people that they want try me see, they get a very short time. No one come no day for the BLM one, no. I don't sorry my brothers but he did, let's say the one do thing where I fit tell una say I will give them even few months. Yes. I tell una. My country people, for all my way on the follow this platform, I go breaking news day. You see Mr. Ashu Ojong, when I'm mayor for Manfi, you see how these amber foolish boys they kill you. Now young man this will be crazy one job, one this, one that. Now young man this we be younger than me. We don't be mayor. Yes, na francophone. Now our brother that way they kill you. They be francophone, na anglophone that way they push una say take 100,000. You go kill it because he deserve the nation Cameroon. Younger than me even. That means I feel be mayor. Yes. We don't plead for una say una come out of the bush. Una they still continue the key what brothers him. This mayor na francophone. Na anglophone this. Una don't kill you. Una don't win. Una not discover say una remember being not destructive for una self. Wonderful. Yesterday again for the BLM, I don't sing my head. Military enter. They enter. They enter. The foolish Lestico. He come for Menji. Place who don't sing them. Say me this speaking. They try for rescue their life. The young picking them where they be talk with me on phone just about a month ago. And they try for make possible means for extract them out of that bush. They enter yesterday. Military enter there. As I be the lead na the 8 soldiers. They kill the 5. Where they? If he left now with 3, they on the run. You see how they always place na this picking them for front. Some they kill them. If you follow this platform very well, una go see the roasted pipes them where they don't extract them for Seat of Wisdom College, our mother college for Lebialam. They don't go cut all the pipes them where they link water to the institution. Cut all pipe them for anywhere. Cut people they ask them for moto for take and fabricate this nonsense. We there for 2020 people then they go fabricate these local weapons. For 4 years now, who they support una? Now which nation they support una? Una still there for Bush to do this thing. Una be ready for the suicide, I they see. Una be ready for the suicide. Una they take this roasted material. And either you don't run go. See the kidnap people they hide for Bush. Me, I did tell una. Even yesterday, Oliver called me. I did take this this platform today for try for say any man way if you send this message so they reach for Alieke, Oliver Lekeaka, Agwo Oscar Nkeng, and Roma Nkengasong Romanos for Allah. You get Zifak Fontenella, Vincent, Steve for Letia, and Kamaja Clovis. When I try for tell them, may they save their life. May they try for save their life. My country people, wait today for this thing where you know the end. Some foolish part them, some wish part them, they don't shit down for the work community. They whether they don't use now wish tie these people them for dango. Because I talk with this speaking them. I talk with them just of recent. I talk with them. Now that part they don't influence them. Maybe they do what they don't do. Fight. Una go win. Una tell them may they carry this gun. We get buy riders them. We get their nurse them. We get their doctors them. We get people the way they do their money, mobile money transaction. We get all these people the way they do this nonsense. Today, I get for sunshine some people they say they do this thing like say the President Biya don't over they get pity for these people them. The earlier peace come back, we start our life. We not remain under frustration. So we dey for DDR, we not continue the kidnap our loved ones behind. We not continue the key. Look this mayor for Manfe we don't key. Maybe una brother na francophone. They give the administration for una there for Bush, una they run now who the one row. Una they find leadership, una come now. Una not sit there for that una amber position for Bush. At the beg una not sit there for that una amber position for Bush. As I talk for this platform today, if that various people they not adjust for LBLM, I assure una say they will get it hot. The dragon, I want to start vomit the fire. As from today, I want to start vomit the fire, and I will start vomit the fire for sunshine some part them way they cause them, they kill them brothers them for Menji Lekung. I get for bring the names them. Now the series of names in this way I get them for my before year. May not be let's say with the clown for this thing. And I beg the Cameroon secret police where they wash we life for goal on and things as the military sit there for Menji Lekung. May they try for take these people them because these guys them when they come they will run go for Bush and these various people them these bike riders these their nurse where they shoot them now they take care these their doctors them these their mobile money people them and these their spy them women lady and men where they for this process. I go sunshine this name them. Because for inside this LBLM, you get 3 subdivisions. You get Alor, you get Wabani, and then you get Menji. For inside, they don't set up this council them where they extort money from this council them. You get crime they right up to selling people their farms them where it don't they happen for them. And I know that people the way they don't buy those people their farms away, Amber don't sell them for them. Would they come on that? I know the people the way they don't buy these farms them. I know the people the way they do their mobile money. I know their nurse them. I know their doctors them. I know their bike rider them and their drivers and where they transport material from Chang. I beg una, this thing don't go to an extent where I go give una shorter time. They say the government it is slow, and it is slow. It is way now on we. They the key na my brothers them. I talk with this speaking them. I talk with them. I talk with the picking them. Yes. So I go straight away. I want call this name them for Menjilekong. Since as the military see there for day, me the secret police they work with them. They sort out this part. They make the nonsense end for day. Me ayeke it take it rubbish. It go to wheresoever it want go. You get for the Amber foolish council where it there for Menjilekong precisely for Menji. This Menjilekong they na inside a law. Na inside a law subdivision. You get the president for the foolish Amber Council where don't put them for day. You get Teacher Michael. Teacher Michael. I repeat it again. Teacher Michael alias Nkema for Menjilekong. You get for leave this our brothers in peace. Because when we remain for quarter, now we the influences speaking them, let their parents them say they carry these rusted pipes them, they go after the military. Escape they will get any exchange with the military when they enter. Huh? You get I see repeat very well this president from council for Menjilekong, Teacher Michael. You be very careful. I inform the authorities. May they take note of this part. Teacher Michael alias Nkemafo. You get his secretary. His secretary na Asa Pius Anangacha. Asa Pius Anangacha. Now his secretary that for Menjilekong precisely for Alo. Secretary. For Amber Foolish Council for Menjilekong, you get Asa Pius Anangacha. Now the secretary that for the Foolish Council where they did. You get their treasurer when a Zifak Eric alias Ndoe. Alias Ndoe. Una day for back. Una know me very well. Una know me very well. No Makizano day for that una place where pass me. Una know me very well. I talk this thing never be 1 month. When I see the disaster where una don't cause them for picking them, but they can't the key picking them because when they collect that money, una take and they enrich una save them for day. They don't broke the house, they carry the things them, they can't sell them now for una. It day for una house. It day for una house them. We know that one very well. As we don't institute this council for Menjilekong because na they am by bread basket for day. Now for day we much money they come up for day. Now for the way you get palm plantation, you get cocoa plantation, all one not a day for day. When I don't make amber, it can't concentrate for you because the money when they go around cash people them for ransom and other people the way they need to pay my trip to Boya. You go straight away for their messenger where they worker give people them convocation. I hear say their convocation now they be na 10,000. You get Nkamcha Josh. Now their messenger that Nkamcha Josh. Yes. You get Patrick Atiasong. Then for Lekeng Market CSF where the military enter for day, you get for Lekeng CSF where the military enter for day, you get Nkamgula Fak Ambrose. Nkamgula Fak Ambrose. Nkamgula Fak Ambrose. I mean Nkamgula Fak Ambrose. Ambrose. This name is why I don't call them so. Now the names are that way the day inside Menjilekong where they don't influence Ayeke for station for day. Me they can't kill this my brothers them. They kill my 5 brothers them where are they over regret. This drunk away when they see so where I feel show when my country people them. Now Vincent this now Zifak Vincent Fonchenala this when a teacher for Alo. This teacher where he there for Alo. He and Nkamaja Clovis, they don't Oliver Leke, he don't put them for that side for Nkwinbin. I there around Nkwinbin and Nkwinbin Letia Medza Njilap around Jenaum. So these people them are the big una country people una our platform this at the time una for the information we una the give we una still contribute for chase out these people them why I don't show una their images them. So if una see Zifak Fonchenala Vincent una kashi after this broadcast they will display my number on the screen. I think some of the una never still get my number. My number na 68. My number na 68 6820 40 755. If you want to take the number, please. 6820 40 755. Yes. If this community for Menjilekeng, if una dey work with me, as una run the work, if una see ZFAC Fontenella Vincent and Clovis, now these people them say allo market in go function. Nkanga song Romanos and the rest. Una catch them if possible. Una give we the information. We tell the military their whereabout. I know go shit down for here. I get nonsense. I know go day for here. Anything happen for the BLM. I give una very short time. Say the BLM go come back. Man, we not put down a gun. He know where he go find himself. That one it be very clear. I don't come today now because of all this nonsense where my junior brothers and where they be talk for me, and this by the influence of this part them, they killed them yesterday. Yes, they are here now with 3 people. Now Commander Nana for 3 fighters. I see they talk. Therefore, he get for base now for kidnapping. He just get for go hide for bush. He come cash una take money, go sleep for bush. I beg una give us the information, country people, my country people. Since as una run the work with we thank the effort where una they do am for give we for the information. The information move sunshine these people them. Yes, me the madness come to an end because I don't see say would pity them for beg them. Say me they come. He just did let's say would fear. We need to fear them. At the day una. And I see repeat today. Say this song we don't sing it go end very shortly. It go end very shortly. If una never know person where they talk for una, if una never know person where they talk for una ask me very well. Una go even for Chang. Ask me for my community where I come out. I be man of action. Yes, I be man of action. And they still repeat these various persons where they don't cause them, they don't murder these young men them for Menjilekeng. Now the influence of this parents them who get several cancers them where they don't set them. Ayeke Commodore Dragon, he run. Yes, he go set this cancer them for Menjilekeng. You get cancer for Njenawung, you get cancer for Ndumbin, you get cancer for Menjilekeng double, where you get one for Menjilekeng, you get one for Lekeng Market. Huh? You go that side for where Oliver Lekeka did. You get cancer for Atula. You get cancer for Mbindia. You get cancer for Takwe. Una don't surround the population where they feel bad for they take money. I dey tell you. I dey tell all una did. Say if una want see me, una go see am. If una want see me, una go see am. I dey give una very short time. No pity this time around because I see the gear when they go with the killing. We not go leave and me take that ship. We not go leave and me take that ship. My people, the way they did for they sweat so. Huh? You know how far my struggle before you get 1,000? And no say what come out. Huh? Una no say military come there for law for just office. Una no fi go they go battle them. Una carry una madness come now for quarters and can't hide for people they back house them. The cash ya found the cash ya go then chop. Una not even get the hope say una fi can be leaders them again because of the madness. Because to the qualification no day. Una say no na Makiza be the only option. No, it's never too late. Una fisi go back for school for better una future them. Una fisi she don't for ya no still go for school. Huh? I the beg una, and I the one una. May any man adjust. And I the beg the secret police, may they go on that fee with the military. They try for sort out this part. They made a madness before one go for that other nonsense where the kirk don't go set them for Takwe. Begin the cash were innocent people the way they walk cocoa, take money, cash driver then do so. And also some of una the bike rider them na agent, driver them for moto na agent, nurse them na una, doctor them na una, and no other thing. since last few days, we begin to make, let's say, we want to keep our names. No, this time around we come with names. We don't even, we don't have any pity. Yes, if the military, it would descend on the field, you take these various persons and make the madness stop. Because when we come, the Amber Boys, and they run into the bush. Yes, when they run into the bush. Now this part them, they talk, say, they don't go, una come do so. But they molest what people, then take money. Any man where they watch me today, I don't vex. Mateuna. I thank all countrymen who participate for this show. I thank you, Igwe, King of Blacklead. Yes, I hope say the message on go. Una share them, may they know, me my brothers them know. More try for avoid this killing. But if they deny, I not give me no hand for any man they die. Yes, una don't find them, una go see them. Yes, then when they come, now used to say where them they military be there, where una be. All that part when they deceive una, go for backside, cut una blood, put them for collar una chuam. Say una will go, they no go kill una tear them, may they carry the gun them. Una tear the part, may they carry the gun them. Yes, may they carry the gun them. I know go shit down for you. I see my brothers and die for the BLM finish. No one day. If na so I will give una short time, we go enter the bush. Thank you now.
Okay, thank you now, my country people. My country, my engineer again. Okana Siri Clovis, yeah. My brother, the king of Red Dragon. He don't already talk, he don't already start him. So I will continue for place where he end, for go for front. We not say automatically there are people they way when people the sweep house go for front, they can't tear for back. It not go ever happen. Yes, we not fit the sweep like I don't tear for back now. It don't make sense. Better someone come after una. Because na bad passer boys them. Yes, today na Operation Sunshine as I be tell now. So before I want start for the sunshine them, I just want more una listing for some audios so that more una know which way we do. Yeah, una know. Yeah, una go hear people that way they support this Amazonian terrorists. They push picking them for good down. Una wait una hear.
Good morning, pa. I doubt whether my Sunday struggle. I think they funding me. See like some school for Kumba in the go private school, diligent for Boya Road. So I don't know when they from una fit to Mira boy they go try with storm one day. Yes, the diligent they go will not be fair. You get population fine. They supposed to make them when they go storm that school so that mean they know because when they make the dialogue so they're not shaking place again. It will show say at least all things be calm. You understand? No? So now my own reason faculty that way and the reason now. So
Okay.
Now if forward the voice me go for all WhatsApp groups, any individual WhatsApp groups that will the inside. They no strategy come now. When I say how they don't throw military then most young people in the town. And I saw they don't talk for them. Say me they sign winner people enter other WhatsApp group then. No group no adding no new man again. It's like any WhatsApp group. So they don't add them again. Because you know go no map.
Yeah, hello house. Abeg, I just want give una some very vital information and Mona take this information very seriously and I beg una Mona no spread them for outside. But Mona call for down, tell guys them for South Zone, maybe they be very careful. These my people them for here, they will help La Republic, maybe with very sophisticated material. Experts in jungle warfare where they don't send them. You know, wanna know did they ever go train with for Amazon forest and La Republic not get that kind of tactical capabilities for find guys inside the BLM and other forest them.
Now just pay attention here and
so
before
my
I go
friend
for
don't
the
just
message.
tell me say me and say no say we on live then on Facebook. Any will not get any military secret. Now why that they get we every time will not even progress because most things in the before they want to do some security team some unscrupulous trailer will just come up for some side post them for Facebook. Then this people they go intercept, will move before we even want to start them. So I just beg the guy just tell me now. So me and you just separate now. So we some guy where they for a company for National Marine. Now then they for Kribi. Now so they
I just want to hear that one. The day for Kribi, National Marine. This record will come out right inside the House of Law. That is AMF. That was the inside struggle. I said the inside struggle. I want to just come on at the year and just be curious something.
Yeah, Repe Sharp. Papa, so information do I want to give you. Any strange face when I see them for down an area then so Ilananga that to move on. Because they don't send them now, they just walk away, they know where uniform, but when I near them. Just enter church, as enter church to the pray for church, commodity.
Okay, good. When I don't get all the record then, you hear people they there for behind. They be comfortable, they be very comfortable, she down for the house and the job, they enjoy. The bullshit speaking them, they go die. The same people, they go kill people, they for not good reason. When I don't get them, the other matter of diligence for Fiango. I know if I don't get a voice, you understand? It is hide, it's an the other who now woman, that the woman I talk about Menda. It is a barefoot, they call it a Mami Amber. It is barefoot. When be aware, it is barefoot. It talks say, it give the secret, mean no friend for the other man where he say it for here for Marine, where it work for Kribi, for the company, they leak out information. I thought people there for government where they be very wicked, they all chop to the salary for government, but they are doing atrocity way bad. It doesn't mean they don't send her out there because they doing a very bad thing. Very bad thing where it do them. It say mean they don't send her out there. Now whether I say right, I be very, very angry. Very, very angry. I need to play with some person. These very people then, they know what they do them, they send my brother them for bush, make they go die for no good, then they chop the money. Yes, they chop the money, they feel because they give them money, they work errands for Amazonian them. Now they can't say this man a black line, that kind of man go, they go attack you, boom, they shoot you die. Just like that, the kind of people them. But one time when I see me, my connection plenty. I say plenty. Countryman, no be na one person. Countryman my country, no na my tribe. Yes, no na my tribe, no na my client. The countryman are the entire Cameroon. All the whole Cameroonian them na big country people. When me say, even as you do so, your next neighbor, or if you're a woman for your house, the work with countryman. It means say, anything you plan, I go talk people, he go talk them. No fish if you plot that time don't pass. I don't tell you, I say the time don't reach no. Since we una don't decide say una go the worker for back, they go give information for Amber for innocent people that they die every day. Don't she don't find them comfortable on a job. If you not like the Amazonian struggle, una go for. I'll give you two options. Either you run, go for bush, go carry that gun, you be the really fighter. Since you like the struggle, go carry gun for bush. No carry food, the beginning they die. I no go ever green. My people need for come back home. My IDP they suffer. Refugees they suffer. I don't go Nigeria, see which people they suffer. I don't see IDP they suffer. Go for dollar Yaoundé. So I find that don't turn a prostitute. For no good reason. For madness, for the thief, for the propaganda, for the lies telling. But people they die every day. I will never allow that. I will never allow that. I want to understand this thing. Any information, right, when you come up from this platform, I get direct connection with this Cameroon secret police. Very intelligent. Anything I give them, or they take them serious. I don't tell you lie. Anything I put that also gram, as you make how many minutes you go down. You don't hear. Now I want to show you this picture. In name na Johnson. Nanji Johnson. Now in this so. He did for 3 corner Ekombe Mbonji. After I come up, I go down. Now he face this. Now don't see no. Now looking fine. Now don't see. Una go see am back for the platform or they go post them. You see this guy? This guy now one of the Amazonian messenger. Now he collect money for General Sam, for Ikeku. When he collect the money, she don't chop fine. He run go Nigeria, go chop life, come back. He feel free because he turn. He pass all control because I don't say no he. But you Amber boy don't for Buji suffer. Now whether we say him ever can give now with fake information, lie because he didn't make him money, he didn't make a life. Yes, it didn't make a lot of people die every day. No care. No care. The body die every day. The Amber people they die every day. They fool them for nothing. Now this kind of people them no need for live. People kind no need for be. Look man tell us something. Me I dey for Boya. I dey for Boya. Ground zero. If he hurt you, can't find me for Boya. If you know say be man picking where they born you fine, look me. I know the final nonsense. You know say be man picking they born you fine, tell me play where you did. You give me 3 hours to go away, be for that play, be alive, change my name. I say, well, be alive, change my name. I know be that kind of man, look me fine. I know they for that rubbish. I know they for that rubbish. Oh God. No, not even know. I know they for that rubbish. If you be man boy, tell me play where you did. I give you 3 hours. If you stand for that place to change my name, say me and Eddie Clovis. 3 hours. I say if you want to come and find, I don't tell you play a day. Ground zero. I know they for dollar, they for ground zero. When they talk down, I talk the air. When I know people. You don't hear. We need to make these people they make them understand say no any man that support ambassador terrorism must go down. I'm not going to flip. You come for change Kwakwata for Bekondo. All that council of that part they work for Ikeku. That council of that village they work for Ikeku. They control Bamleke farm them. They pursue people them for their house them. They go be IDP with their farm. They don't suffer. When if you work farm, people they suffer every day. Is there no man there because they chop their resources? So now they fight who struggle. Who struggle? Now the fighter. Who struggle? Now the people that money them. Chop people that farm for their farm. No, they plant one stem cocoa for growing up. Yeah. No, like plant one stem cocoa for growing up. Yeah, you come for massacre. For big massacre. All that for the chief council or for the he work with Amber. All that they work for Amber, he could give them money. They will work that cocoa farm. They should chop their money. Their family they enjoy. They sleep for their happy. People they die every day for dollar. Yeah, on the IT people die for Nigeria every day. My brother they die every day for bush. Is that madness? Is that not madness? If you not like the struggle, you not go for bush carry that gun. No, they're not working for my again. All you so go down one after the other. Listen, my donor. I stand for my people. I stand for my IDP them. I stand for my refugees. They need to come back home. They need to come back home. The need for come back home. The suffering is too much. It's too much. My brother, why you not be wicked? Why you not be wicked? You deal with your family, enjoy. You dey comfortable. Beginning to die every day for bush for no just cause, for no good reason. When I brainwash them, poorly educated they already be. Give them drugs. Give them all sorts of things. Them manipulate them. No reason again. They die every day. You dey comfortable for your house. You work informal. You work this thing. You take money. You don't chop with your family. You travel. You better your life. People die for Nigeria every day. People die for Cameroon every day. Look at 2 was and brothers them. See what don't turn them into. People they be bad parties Amazonian boys them. Now we don't even need to come after the Amber boys. May they be. We dey after all the people that they work for Amazonian terrorism. All the informants, all now sunshine owner. And then the back no man. They party sunshine the other time. Now end up for Bafusam. You don't go for police. You go back. You don't surrender yourself. And then they play. Not take me play. Not take me play. Me, I know not the same frequency. You in a black leg, look me fine. I'm going to tell you. Talk for person who carry that gun, fighting you need fighting person like me. No try. I say no try. Any human being, I don't care. Look me fine. Any human being for this ground, where this same order made they go die. I swear to God, you not live. For the team about that every day, you pay for it for your life. You pay for it. The time don't come for now. The very method where Amazon be use them, say black leg. Now the very method where we the black leg will use them. When I want to know something, first time Amazon I tell her as a one as a buam similar where then they made it come. Now I'm in the car one a day when they run. Now I tell her something my people them are black legs in them. When I ask and say the black leg, when I say fight for your freedom, the black leg say fight for your freedom. We now have to fight for our freedom. By power, by force, we need to take it down. Forget about the tip there for bush. I don't sunshine that one. Now then that just a one in the camp. All that's what I'm flip. All na the drive Okada for Ikeku. I know owner. All na the carry motor. Go carry Ikeku within them. I know owner. All na support Sam. I know owner. All to flip. I know owner. And one after the other, we go know whether na Amazon and get the country or na Cameroon. We go know. We go know. We go know. They don't craze for na head. That's why they go die every day. The people they know found it, they hide their face, cover their face, match themselves, they hide for corner, they send on for front. Because they know a very bad thing. Why don't you carry that gun? Why they can't get good information? May they go attack school. Keep people are picking them. You hear them? What an evil. You think somebody get second now? No, they go point at them and a black man. For me, if you deal with me now, you will regret the rest of your life. You will regret them. Me. Let some man not send you push you come, not try. I didn't chase in the so not try. Make that nonsense with people there. No try am for me. No try. You go know who I be. I dey come for that one after the other. I tell you, no, the last thing I will do to save my people, I will do it. Because I get the amnesty. I get the power for my countryman. My countryman say the whole Cameroonians, they dey for my back. I get a bigger voice. They dey for my back. They support me. I stand for the gap for my people. You will not do me anything. Beware and be warned. No say don't can't get away for they can make money. You know I get no for make money. Be careful. Do one day so I don't show. I don't give you how many hours. Either you surrender, you go for any military base, you surrender, you talk say you don't need it again, or you kunkumau no soup. No man they beg you. You don't need to keep people them. Give very man to make a kid doctor. Say I tell many people where the man to make a don't kill him. If I tell you how many people, Sam, my tell now, the time don't reach for the madness for stop. My people need to go back home. They need to feel at home back. They need to feel at home. We don't suffer them, it's too much. We don't suffer them too much. People don't suffer for nothing. Thank you very much, my country people then. Yes. I want to digress some for some point again about the thief Mario because I say Eric Tato. The idiot. The non-entity. The Nikompu. The fool. I hear live broadcast yesterday, maybe they live. Talk say they so in need, say they don't win the war. Say Ambazonia and them, they don't already Cameroon government no get money. I'm not a politician, I don't concern me. The Cameroon government no lack money. I want to tell you Eric Tato. Remember 2017 and 18, they will say Cameroon no get currency. More stop thing them. Or stop Brazzaville. Or do am. People die. When I tell you, maybe go try to take a Kema Patrick, picking the die more than 100, picking the die less than some. When I go get sense. The lockdown we go pass for the municipal election for February. You know how many picking the die? You know how many? General for Ekona daddy body petit for down here. He died for the day one. They leave it in cops, so they no man carry cops. You talk so now one make go craze. Be careful, Be careful. At the camp, I want to make a hair. Mona see the release my country. When I get the right, the power to fight for our freedom. Forget about the thief. I want to say, full personal be for bush. Now people like we there for bush. You talk about say, I be see some video where come out there when I saw one IDP for Douala. It out in mind. I be come for your life the next day for appreciate it because it out in mind. It talk say the man na some fraud. Now my countryman don't do that you are a fool. Like that. You don't get one eye sense. If you don't do at that level, you don't get sense now. You don't get sense. That video was recorded by one of the IDP, and then it talks say, wait, it will brouhaha. It means that Elika talk say automatically, no IDP, no, they for the Cameroon way book. I say me for them say talk grammar, big grammar, say now people they work for government. What a madness! What a dawn! Your school we're gonna know say where I go class 1. I'm not sure. That boy recorded that video because of his anger when they feel him and I feel the pain. We don't apologize, we don't hurt our people. We don't destroy our own. We don't kill our own. That is simple truth. That's the simple truth. You know how many way Amba don't kill him? You know how many people Amba don't arrive? You know how many Amba don't born him? I want to come prove for una say he talks to the one create national army, say because they for DDR center, they suffer, they do this. I be happy say remain on social media. It end up for social media because they picking their papa them, their parents, their family, they don't surrender. They there for you, they see them, they picking them every day. They be appreciate. They don't integrate the first badge, the family they see them. And then I tell something, Eric. This boy they talk with me every day, and I'll prove them for you. I come with evidence. They talk with me every blessed day and night. They be our brother. They understand it. They surrender every day. You want to keep yourself remember for the bush. I tell you, Didi has not been by force. Not a choice. No man they force you. Remember for the bush you hold the gun, you die. 2 things, you drop and you gain your amnesty, you save your life. As soon as dull and stupid, we don't go get sense. The thief for the house, but they can't fool now. I pass all them. Me at the camp. At the camp, I put one for na here. He said, one create national army, independent goes one time. My country people, I want to just play this one then. I explain small. Which way it be mean. Mona yeram. Mona yeram for me. The one come on inside House of Lords. It talks say when I win the civilian their mind, una win their attention and will get the war. We don't lose the civilian them because don't kill them tire. Yeah, I tell you, that man we make that video. Now the silent majority, one of the person will be bold enough to come out in mind, and that's the simple truth. He out in mind. People they will play the one talk for you, una go watch it and baron do am. Yeah.
Mediator, do want to take out of hand now. You know, so I feel say civilian and our first priority as we talk for morning time when number talk and when you talk am. Just because they see what people they do. I say, may they leave the fight for some people, the mediator. All the knowledge where you create this house, you create this group, or so many people they come to one. If they do and so, and then they believe, say, people will stay against this house. Yes. Civilian, they will rise against the boys, every day would make that statement. They need to keep two enemies because this one you don't go born man has not two enemies. A really serious issue for them. Maybe we'll try go. Maybe we'll try go because some man even standing call Amokate and say, Papa, carry me go and not play the day. We don't talk this thing for monitor. We feel we don't talk this thing for people for the boys to understand. How do I make people to talk this thing again?
So thank you very much, countryman. The time when me una countryman junior one tell una the rule how me be for inside bush struggle, ma tell una which the thing be happen. I was live present. We be struggle for create a national army where they call and say AMF. Me una countryman I be there behind it. Because we start kill ourselves since 2017. It was Amber start kill Amber. We look and say they clean don't too much. We start kill on they say black leg. We start kill on they say the black leg. We don't keep people tired. We don't say no. We don't lose plenty fighters. We don't lose big fighters where they strong, where they be hard. We don't lose when we Amber kill. I'm not even like public. Not even our enemy because our enemy killer. No be naive like we. Kill our own the born house. You hear them? That direct community inside the AMF house. At that number of inside struggle. We didn't say one group AMF. Me a day for year. I was one of the highest voice inside Ambazonian struggle with terrorism. Me. Man, tell una mona year. Anytime I want to make me understand, say me I know what to be Ambazonian struggle. Pass you 100 times and I pass you 1 million times. There for my back at the camp. I was trying to make understand. Then we look at people over there over kill ourselves. We say more come together. Make the whole ground zero come together. Now for them see the record where that woman the send them. Say me all WhatsApp group them all the one. And after the house all the record they come out inside AMF house. Yeah, fine. Who come out, who go struggle, say, more form me, all man be together with Tonton, my country people them. I be for 1 week, I no wash. I no chop. So far, no be small. For struggle for unite ground zero. We go for matter where it happen. With the Gamba, they ambush we for road for shoot and kill. Amber versus Amber. So Kadev. I be there ribbons. The white tiger of ribbons. Now that come out for sanity. Amber na courtism. Na big tribe spiritualism way, you know easy. The more you don't even know. Yeah, fine. We come out that matter they come. Me at the on top of the ride. I carry man for back, I hang my guns over my front. They ambush me for shooting. They shoot on a countryman junior. Tum for my skin. After I don't go, the bullet take na person I carry him for back. He wound me so chakara di, wound his hand. Now small shooting. For no good reason because I can't create peace. Because wait, machine be meet up ADF fighter them. For matter for dang matter, he beat everything kill him. Amber versus Amber. They knock some boy kill him. 6 other weapon them. We go for go arrange the matter. They turn ambush you for what? That is great in the machine be there alive for matter. So Kadev. They know what they talk. May I tell you, Ground Zero can never unite because you know why? Because they are stagnant illiterates, they are thieves, born and robbers. They can never unite. Because don't try and tire. These civilian things don't tire. The people don't tire. We don't kill our own tire. Civilians, my country people, all the black legs, una stand up. You don't hear them. Una rally up. The boys are not there. Catch them, na catch our hand. Why we know why you na kunkumaisi? Because at this time, any man we there for butch na thief man. At this point of time, better picking where he be know where to be the fight for. He know where to be the struggle. He don't live away just some more brain. Una need for stand up. Una hear them. We be struggle all now, but they know we but look at this struggle don't go out of hand. We kill ourselves every day. We decide we surrender. But still though, this thing that happen, they see the struggle for hunt you, our own brother, them who don't come up for surrender. We know we set over for family, bomb our houses. They be give them warning. The worst mistake for their life for 5 pace away, it don't be for the struggle. Because when you come for return, if you shoot gun, Amba boy una no fit shoot gun. Una no fit shoot gun. When one turn for fight, una no fit shoot gun. Una no why, una no wicked. Una no fit shoot gun. Una know the level of people I talk. You can't for you say you get soldier. Did Eric say get soldier for FACO? Say you na the struggle for mobilize for do AMF. Military force, national military. Na thief. Me I tell una the simple thing I go them. Ambazona boy no dey again. Fighters don't finish all. They don't people the way they fight this struggle. They please stand with arm in face to face. People like we don't leave them. They don't die or finish. We don't keep all the remaining one them. The boy remain not thief picking them. Thief. You get the Gabonese for mountain lion here. He never go battlefield. Gabonese never go no one battlefield for you. Like see, man, since you enter struggle, it element on social media, Black Tag Council, FACO restoration for now TV propaganda on Facebook. He never ever see army face to face shoot with army. He never ever. No get no general man tell you Arika to make here from today on for the diaspora. You the contribute your money, the son of that make kill about. Una give we money, una sponsor we for kill our own. Is that not madness? Amber versus Amber, kill our own. Na revolutionary fighter. We must start talk nonsense negative about him. Struggle for pulling down. You leave me so I never be that kind of man. If you want to stand for me, stand fine. When you shake walk, shake him. No say my retu. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You get blood for your skin. You understand. You go know say no be all the same frequency. I never be that kind of church and very born and mommy. Me man no temper. You go regret them. You come. Man tell you something, Eric Tato. If you be man picking, all for diaspora, all the activism, man tell you for una president, Facebook president, Komesako, me, I challenge you now, be fool and idiot. I pass all now. Because I like Amazon show go pass all now. Because one, I carry gun for fight. None of them know we do am. Two, I pass una for that one. Because all they talk about no get no information, no get no nothing. And no struggle pass una because I don't hold gun. For die, I don't see suffer. You talk of say Amazonian boys they for Buja, they fine. You say they fine. Eric Tato say they fine. I don't know where you talk something, you the reason. You talk too much, but you don't get sense. You life will not take credit, baby picking for this struggle. As far as I'm me, when a countryman belong, Eric Tato be picking for Amazonian struggle. You be picking for this struggle. When I talk say picking, forget about that actually make noise for Europe. Make noise. Nobody that noise they make them plenty. If you be man boy enough, come for grand here. No can sense of man say make and die. Yes, no sense of man say make and die. I want to show you something. When I see a difference, where this food they talk am. I digress. But don't give me some small time. As I come, I begin to share. Yes, when I begin to share. I want to show something where the people they need for see am. They understand. So we know they for laugh. So share. I picture too much. Okay, yes. Eric Tato, you talk of all this in a lie. We might show you something. Remember the picture? Now 2018 that I say independent the kind of fools they don't get all to be formed. They don't sign contract with American government. All who's scared of the one lie we are going to bring the old churches? When I talk how we made a key cut all workers of CDC demonte. People do them. People bombarding them. People die. When I say bring them back, they no go happen. Does it happen now? I swear to God, Walata line now. I take that Sam. When I look at the boy them, when I stand fine. See, I want to show Eric Tato again. See Amber boy for bush. See man picking. If in the airport I fit do am, see how we dey. At the camp, I show Eric Tato, then I show Amber boy. Made a fool, they see where to where he did. Since they don't ever get sense. So that picture serves yourself. I show Eric Tato how he enjoy himself with the woman. Then see Amber boy. See the kind of this way they create them. See, I just first show the one. I don't see the one. Fireman, see him. Amber, see picking. You see picking? Ground zero. Una overdo the shit. For in fact no. Una just then and say una 1 million money. See him. Man show of see him. Eric Tato, I want show you me see him. See Eric Tato here, girlfriend. One night woman like the very fan. See Amber boy for corner. My pick side day. Very bushy and dirty. See how he dey. You no get future. See that kind of picking. Look the Eric Tato for corner. You know, it's a manipulator on how. Una reason, my brother. You talk to no day for then I want to make moon. I don't see that boy. Una don't see that boy there how they did. I want make una more see something now for na countryman, junior, more see something. More see the difference. Where if you want talk, reason before you talk. Don't just talk anyhow because people may be fool. Yeah, we may be fool. We don't understand all this nonsense. See me. I show you myself. You don't see me now. The countryman, you know that I mean that. You don't see me. Look that Amber boy with me. Who look more handsome and nice. Far away, looky, you want to the condition. If you talk reason. Look, I'm gonna tell you something. The time don't pass, the population be here for now. The population don't rise up now against you now. They go show all na come now, go die all one don't finish. Now be picking them. It's not the fool now. The foolish man, when you carry gun, I just say, hey, they can't carry gun for down here. Look, I'm gonna tell you something. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you that the info of the countryman be me, I don't carry gun. Tell her I pass them for that one. I don't cause I do activism. I still get bigger audience past them. You join all them, so put them. When I go live, he go live. You know, they compare me. You know, we die. When I still passive, it's the activism. I say passive. For who gonna passive? I say when I be man boy now, when I calm down, can hold that gun. Now the main mom say, I'm boy no dead again. If when I be man boy, tell me there for what be the fight this far to come off road fast and far with army there. When I go try. When I come on see no. They out on our own work now for say wait civilian talk say black na carry gun go to civilian he took shoot and say black leg kidnap you go take ransom treat mommy them for village terrorize people them rape people that begin them intimidate people them threaten people their lives now all na under get them now all that amber no the matona with diaspora no general no dey for Ganzoro wey dey fight no one. There is no general for Ganzoro where they fight. No one. Start from Ike to free marshal and they fight. Film marshal. I can they fight. Now when I say they die. That's small because they get the one general for Amber. Don't say Amber versus Amber they kill you. That thief there. They die. Aruke can never go back to physical that struggle. General Aruke can never die. He never ever fight. No one day. And they told that una no fine. Una no. Fight at the level don't leave this thing there. They don't surrender. You know the year where they call number and they right inside they go pan number inside struggle. If it's been a pan, but when I think, when I reason, Erikato, Amber don't finish. We don't get boy away for gang. Now thief boy them. We don't ever unite. I don't try. I'm tired. I go come for tell now what to be the AMF. I never back. I can't tell now what to be the reason for that one. Now when I cut and say I want just talk that lie the way they want talk. Think I'm very well. You know that for Ganzoro here, they give that information. Fake information. Me, I don't be for that bush. I know the connection for bush. I know where to be Odeshi. I know where to be battle. I don't go for battle. I don't have a counter. They run all live without gun the holler. They run. The one to stand up. The one to run away gun. When you come to kidnap the highest. You come to beat powerful under for the highest. Is that a struggle? My people who don't stand for fight for this thing. And it must end. Una drop down, una gun, save una life. It is a reality. We get two things. You drop, you save, and not drop, you go down. And any man who is about terrorism, he must go down. We must clean the house by power, by force. My son over suffer. My boy over suffer. My commander over suffer. We need to save for terrorism. Yeah. Yeah, my people. So I don't can do the sunshine, they will tell on my people. Make the people they understand.
Okay. You want to talk with you?
Yes. Okay. I get a talk for the king of all black leg. You want to talk with me directly? So una share. I'm getting you, sir.
Okay. Clovis.
Yes, sir.
If the audience they listen to me, maybe I turn down the volume. Yes, okay. It dey like say some people they dey for here where they watch and they believe say it is so maybe na Cameroon government it get this platform. Remind them say this platform, DDR Cameroon Facebook page, now my page where me I create them. Me MKPD. And now you, Oka Naseri Clovis, and myself will run the platform. make it be clear for people and say, no, in that government website
They
or government page.
They get you as we talk self so.
Good. Make they understand that maybe government. So some people they don't come, they comment under, they ask what the Cameroon government they do or whatever. That is none of our business. Tell the person, say, make it contact a member of parliament, make it contact a representative where they work inside Cameroon government. Me, I no be the MP. You, Okan Nasri Clovis, no be the MP, and you know the work for the Cameroon government, and you know they here for answer any person a question about the Cameroon government. May they understand that one. So we know the work for Cameroon government. No be Cameroon government create this page. All right. So now private endeavor. So if any person get any question for channel them to the Cameroon government, make it go for government page or government website or contact the MP or talk to your Prime Minister Chief Dion Gute. Make it no ask you, make it no ask countryman, because we know the work for Cameroon government. Make them understand that one very clearly.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
thank you so much for the good work.
Okay.
Also remind them, say yes, the platform no be na Cameroon government, but will get the Secret Service and all the military and all the country people them and all the black legs them and all the patriots them that follow this page, and anything where we put them on this platform, it is taken extremely seriously. And if we spit out any person in name on this platform, say that they support Ambazonia terrorism, then we don't literally burn you because we spit out fire like the dragon. And that person, every single person where we don't do sunshine on you, they don't either compromise you or they don't arrest you, or the person there in the process now in the hands of the authorities. Just a few days ago, the other person where we sunshine, he feel the pinch, the heat where we throw him on you. He self carry on 2 foot and put it 2 hands for your head. He surrender to the gendarmerie after we sunshine. So make any person a word to the wise is sufficient. Make them know. Say we know the joke for this platform. Say country people, no be ordinary human being. In fact, MKPT now a movement. Make them understand that one. And all the names, the way when I don't spit them out today for this Operation Sunshine, war betides them. Make us see if they could still fit, remain in that community. As we sweep house, they go for front, as you don't talk. These idiots, they're there behind, they're dotiam. So now we will get for stop for the sweep the house. We'll come after the people the way they dotiam behind we. Because no point, no day for we for the sweep they go before. When some other people the day behind, they dotiam, they come for back. So now we get for go after the soft target. The people then where they day for our communities. We know they just go for the Amber Boy where he carry guns, but we go after the person where they go treat the wound for bush when they shoot her. We go after the person where they collect ransom when they send in. We go after the people them where they form that Amber Council when they collect the money, go give Amber Boy. We go after the pa where they go buy farm from Amber Boy. We come after you. Even if Amber Boy threaten you, say make you do something, you do at one time. When the Amber Boy leave, you pack your cargo, come out, run, you go report to the authorities. You say, now what this will happen? It get the burn your house, the burn them. It not been at the first house with the burn them. It get all man come off of that village run because Amber run chase them out. That is fine. Then for say you remain for that village. Because say as Kingsley talk, he say don't vex. You too, you don't vex. Me too, I don't vex. And me, I've been at the Kunku Master, I've been at the Igwe. Wait where it even pissed me off the most, where it make him over vex. Now that young mayor, where they kill him for Manfe, that mayor Ashu Ojong, it make me vex because it try for serving people there. Now young person that way with the complaint, say Cameroon government, it never do something for the youth. Now young, ambitious, vibrant man that where it come in for serving people then, they catch, they kill them for security. Cameroon and all we don't over romance with these people then. So we not gonna continue the sweep house they go for before. When other people they there for back, that they totiam they come. we say enough is enough. We could go after them. And thank you plenty for the investigation and the work when I don't put them in, and the names the way when I don't call them all. We will see whether not them own this Cameroon or now we own them. Whether these amber fools and the shit no why blast them, whether not they get this country or now we get the country. We'll see whether they could stay there inside their house. We don't call their name. No authorities that are here. Secret Service, they follow everything we will post on for this platform. Everything. Eric told them, and these idiots, the way they did for diaspora, they think say they fit send everybody to go do something. Now we get the power. Now we be in charge, because if I speak your name, bang, I say if Clovis call your name, I say if Kingsley open his mouth, he speak fire for your name not die. We'll see whether you feel even sleep for your house. The people, the way when I don't call their names, they so. We'll see whether this night, time now wait yourself. Time, it don't reach 5 o'clock. Yes, now exactly 5 o'clock now, so for Cameroon, 5 p.m. We'll see whether midnight it will reach them inside their house. If they don't go park their car, go run this very night, the message, it will not reach them. It will reach them. And I be so proud of you. One thing when you talk, you tell Eric Tato now the truth. Eric Tato get which platform? It is reach which people then? Wait till where you Clovis, you talk, you change policy inside the whole Cameroon, where it affect all man. If black leg day way, amber they chase you. If you come out, carry your neck and your head and your life, you run, come out for that Anglophone zone, you can't use. As soon as you enter inside the West region, or you enter inside the Francophone zone, you go be safe. Because amber no get the capability for target any person inside the Francophone zone. But if you, Clovis, because you have the power vested on you by me, the Igwe, I don't knight you. If you, Clovis, and the king of the Red Dragons, Kingsley Attackpong, fact, or me, will spit some person in name, say this person, that he did this and that, na amber terrorist, who's I go? Enough is stay anywhere inside Cameroon territorial boundaries. That is the power that you and I will get them right now. So if we speak some person name, it will run go inside. At least for when our black legs them, even every time to go shout your name, call them, sing yourself a song. From 1st to 31st, you come out. You as soon as you come out for Anglophone zone, you enter inside the Francophone zone. Now all that, amber, nothing do you nothing. They go burn your house, so what? But if you call some person a name, say he be na amber, that person must come out of Cameroon for be safe. Even for Nigeria, it no be safe, because we get special forces too for Nigeria. If one pick them out, for Nigeria, we will pick them out. So they not be safe. So now we get the power. You hear me, no, petit frère?
Yes, bro.
Now we get the power. If we come up, we'll call your name, or we do our investigation. You, Clovis, if you do your investigation, you see, he said, now a cake we house there, you put the picture, I tell you, that house not going to last 24 hours. We'll get our agents for you with the watch. Black legs, not be one person. No man, not even know how many number of black legs we get. If you just point them, say that house, so now this person get them, they go burn them down. Now the power, that way you get them. We don't unleash the chukuchuku. We don't unleash the Red Dragon. And we don't unleash that top you alive. Now what is that they call them again? We don't unleash Awurikaka on all these Muslims where they think that the man can destroy our peaceful Cameroon. Take away our peace. We will either disarm them peacefully, or we will compromise them by force. But we must bring back normalcy and peace inside Cameroon. I know we plan to call you, interject and interrupt in your live broadcast, but I just want to set a few people them straight, and I don't digress plenty, but that is what I do best. I mean, want to set a few people them straight. Any person who come for this platform, can't complain about the Cameroon government. I go block you and delete you. If you don't like him, that is your business. Go and suck a lemon. No, the Cameroon government create this platform here with you. So if you get any complaints about Cameroon government, take it to the Cameroon government. You get the address of your president. Write your letter. You know the address. Who's our Prime Minister there? Go talk to him. Book an audience. Write him a letter. He get website. He get email address. He get Twitter. go see it. But get off our Facebook page. If you want to complain about Cameroon government, that is your business. It get nothing to do with Okan Nasiri Clovis or my country people them or the king of the Red Dragons, Kingsley. Countryman Junior, thank you so much for the job. Wrap up your live broadcast and we will talk again after this show. As sure say you will need to go take one man self because you deserve it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So, my contribution, I don't get them from the king himself. We tell them. I don't tell them every day. You know, some people they be very, very dull and stupid. This page not be like Cameroon government get. Cameroon government they give me 50 for do what I do. Now my mindset, now voluntary something because I love my people. Because I know if they stand this they die every day. We get 1,000, 100 of ex-combatants and them a day. Now their opinion for out their mind for help themselves, for help their brother. But I choose for do them. They don't integrate most of them for society. They not the reality that. Now what I see people be the talk. But we not carry out any construction. We will never do disarmament process for disarm the boy them by power or by force. Really beg no man, no idiot, no day. There's simple truth. But I get a direct connection with Cameroon secret police. When anything I talk they happen. If I tell you today you go die, you need to leave. I need to make them up. When I do that thing on a no level, I get all the military, I get all the power, all the military there for my back. I get all the military for Cameroon for my back. I get all my country there for my back. All the immediate countryman and the whole Cameroon for my back. So if you stand me how? You know fit. I tell you food for Europe say if you not strong, now calm down, can try now. When I try, I be talking now. Any man for Europe, will be man boy. Now second I want to now. Me, Okan Nasiri Clovis. I want a public debate for any TV station for the world. What una want them? Eric Tato, Mabarata, Komesakwa, Yubacho, or una activism, or any man will challenge me, may calm down.
Okay, go on.
Okay. I hope say you don't put me loud again, the audience, if you hear me clearly.
Yes, sir.
My countryman Junior.
Yes,
I apologize once again because not only you, I feel apologize to because you're doing a fantastic job. I don't give you the mantle as the Chinda, the number one Chinda, Okan Nasiri Clovis, the NKP, the countryman Junior.
Thank you, sir.
One thing where I want to emphasize on now, which way you talk, say you pass Eric Tato. Yes. Some people they go hear that one and they think say, wait till this guy they talk. Now the reality that my country people them. Wait till way Clovis it do. Clovis is rich. For broadcast where Clovis they make him, it go further than all the Amazonia activists combined. The number of people, the way they listen and where they react and they get the information and they put them into practice, into action from Clovis and this platform, it passed Eric Tato on by far. Eric Tato, if you go live for one broadcast, when I feel show we anything where Eric Tato don't put them out there where it get more than 30,000 views. When I feel show me, I must say Eric Tato they watch right here. Many Amber boys they watch right now and they listen. Videos the day for this same platform. This platform, when I remember, it be only 3.5 months old. Videos the day for here where Clovis, where we don't post them of Clovis, where it don't get 50, 60,000 views. Videos the day for here of Clovis face where he talk 60, 50,000 views. Now the reality that Eric Tato never ever achieved that one for his life. And Clovis don't do activism how long? 2 months. 2 months. Nobody so petit prayer.
Yes, sir. That's the truth.
2 months. Now the truth that Clovis don't do this activism for 2 months. The videos that we don't put them out there on this page alone, they reach 50,000+ views. Some of our videos for this same page, where this page be less than 3 months old, we will go take screenshot of the videos them. Show you how videos them for this page it don't get more than 200,000 views. One of my videos will get 3 million+ views. So we not ever underestimate countryman. And then again, when Clovis can live, other news agents then for Cameroon like Town Crier, My Media Prime, they come download Clovis videos them, rebroadcast them for TV stations on the ground inside Cameroon. That one will not even count the number of views. People the way they watch the TV, your broadcast and your sensitization message as it go far. They broadcast Clovis videos them for national TVs them inside Cameroon. Now wait that way when I not get that dynamic. And then again, after this broadcast, and as I usually do, I go can download the videos, cut them into bite-sized chunks, into 5-6 minutes, 9 minutes clip, and then rebroadcast them on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, and especially WhatsApp. Country people WhatsApp alone, it get more than 2,400 views. Followers, subscribers for our WhatsApp broadcast alone. So when we take that video now, the bite size will drop them into those groups. It go far. If each of those 2,000 plus people then for our WhatsApp group, it take that video now, drop them into another WhatsApp group where it get like 100 people inside. You fit do the arithmetic. You see how far Clovis is active in the reach. Eric Tato no fit compare. If you take Eric Tato, Mark Barretta, Ayabacho Lucas, Tapang Ivo, put them all together, Chris Anu, all them, they are so-called national TV, put them all together, they no reach Clovis. They no reach the audience where Okan Nasiri Clovis get them. Now me, I build that platform, and I tell you, what way me I be capable of, and what way would they achieve them. We don't sensitize people there well. And I thank you, countryman, for your passion when you get them, for save and for serve your people then. Once again, take over, Petit Frere.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah, now our king that don't talk with una hear am, and the simple truth that we did. I don't fight for una, my papa them, my country people them. I don't fight for una because I be realize some kind of things them. I can't later realize myself that this is a manipulation. We are carrying gun to fight for una, for protect una. But I can't realize una thing that they be tell we don't kill our own. Now, when I say some of we, because of our good mind, will be the struggle, even inside the struggle for the self some kind of things. The self will live and we may they carry over the thief. And I want to tell when I say this, so me, Clovis, at the top with my brother on ground zero. Here, one general where he call me, he regard me, Eric Tato, say I'm a hero, I'm a big boy, I'm a man, none of you. Can't carry gun try. Look at me, ground with the way to for down here. Now, people try to tell you the way to for ground here. When I make them also remember for update. What I don't do for our youth them, for my brother, for my sister them, for my papa, my mommy them. What I don't do for our life. Same my brother for early grave. Say they fight for struggle. Make my brother they be fatherless, motherless, orphans. People they be handicapped because of una madness for my people. Some no. What I don't do for we no. See. You don't even know plan people get that for their mind. For their mind, even that boy for bush matter. What do not do for our lives? When I use we to make our money, keep my brother for nothing. I want just one from a boy inside bush where he call me. He still give my place because I know who I be. You know, so when I turn my back, the power, the fire waiting for my mom when I turn, so I want to come back for any man who want temper with me. It's not been a disaster. Hear what you tell me. Yeah, he respect me today. Yeah.
Me and people put trigger for your head because me and you share something in common. We don't know ourselves now only for Amber. We don't know ourselves ever since before the struggle for Bongo and of the enjoy share things together, story together, do things together. Sometimes some people see when me and you work ourselves, just not saying I just for the Amber we don't know ourselves. We don't know ourselves ever since. I like your courage to be hero.
You don't have to tell now. He like my courage because I be hero. I be stand for roads. See me, my tell now the boy them. When I change for now, when I stand up fine. My brother them. He tell now. He know me. Na general that. For Amber, he know my level. At the stand for general, I found they shake me, countryman, me. That for struggle. They shake because no be me. I never know that position kind thing them. Because I know to be amateur position, they will kill you. But they begin my play because I was a gallant soldier on ground zero. I fight for una. They want to turn for pay me. After Lucas in a madness, kill my people every day. That's not the time I fight for. Kill ourselves, lies and the public do this. A Tanganji boy. Who's a Tanganji boy? Thieves and lie. There's nothing like Tanganji boy. Yanisi Korontona, Hoha, which be the mafia. No a Tanganji boy no day. Bibi lie. Can you prove it? No. Atrocities the kind says na picking them. All these atrocities they commit now by Amazonian fighter and Papa Mami don't know this picking them too well. Una know them fine. Una picking them for outside. Picking up come over for go coffee havoc. Now only coca picking they do am. That's what they. And the simple truth that way they because I don't give them drug act is ability to chakara. Man will be illiterate. They put drugs again for it takes a high reason. Yeah, my brother he tell me say he say if they send me, he call me tell me say if they send them, he give me all thing. Say if they send them, for somebody they can attack me, he know my level, he respect me. Not to the way he know me, even inside the struggle, he respect me. Say me, I be hero. He talk about hear him, I be hero. He know be me. When I talk about struggle, this man, you know who soldier for ground, you get who soldier for ground. Who know you know some picking them. If you tell me the mountain lie on the thief there for here, they go kidnap people, the thief people that money them for road, Kubera la road. Where the foolish man Gabonese they people road them, the thief thing for down here, they fit fight. We say I'm gonna right just bush. They don't stand who battles on the other not general. When I go general for ground, when I get who when me I want to have some visitor on my phone, who? They are understanding my brother them. When I don't transform them, they can't find me. They can't find me back with those again that bed. They don't understand. They don't feel that because they will die all. Because if people don't say no, they get family too. They get relative. They do for that bush. And who know all to they know them. All play they hide who know. So if one turn back my brother, the disaster go plenty. Now whether it's some of you understand, we just choose no more help now for move now more understand. So this is a manipulation and madness. Now on a brother they talk so. And I thank God the one that they hear me, they come out every day. But I want to say extra deep body they hear me, if they talk with me, they talk with me every day. I get look at my tone now. Anything I plan for Clovis, I get them. But no way, so my wife for Nigeria, we bullet take them. They suffer today for Nigeria, don't get even more for buy medicine. When I don't forget, when I know them, and Bazona fan say wait, where you they find, they care for you. When not they find, they forget about you. As you get bullet wound, your friend forget about you. You are fully rotting. You know maybe you are fully rotting. The handle rotting. We no medical head. Una get kind doctor for abroad. Una come for down here, fight this fight. Also, na natural thing. Una talk this country for here. I didn't call and say we just bikini Sudan. Sudan, all man for abroad we come back for inside Sudan can fight. All the doctors they come back. Una come out, una get country that they medicine there. Una come down to get kind brace, get kind this in them. Work them for your mom, churches them. Calm down, can't do churches them. We don't know talk on Facebook. Come for ground zero, petit frère. You my grandfather, I just say be petit frère that the struggle. You my picking. You never do to do half of the struggle. You never make that on social media. You never make that noise. Come for that try to try. I don't fight for 4 years. Ask me to tell you. Ask Omega 1, me from 2016. You don't even know people. Look at. Ask, you don't even know fight, no fighter. If you show Amba Bodo so that you don't even know their face, you don't even know their name, you don't even know nothing about them. You talk to be active. Papa, mommy, don't forget about it, tip them. Abuna Pekin, Abuna Border, and they talk to Amba Bodo, listen to me every day. Every day they watch me now. I be their brother. I not fit kill them. I not fit. I tell you, if you like, give me 20 million. They don't promise me money tire for me. They tip them for Europe. They don't promise me money. I tell them, I get it, tell me they fuck to hell. I'm not the money-minded. I'm not the chicken person. So if you don't turn the brain anyhow, I'm very smart and intelligent. You talk of people, small history, I know small history, I read small history, I know small economics, commerce. If you want to talk about something like that, I know you're being interested in politics. If you get into Cameroon government, face them. I know the work for Cameroon government. I did work for my country people, for the whole entire Cameroon, for help my brother Amazon boys, for move them for the rubbish. And I tell you, any place where I go day, me, I go see the talk for now. I will never stop to talk for una, for help una. If you get any problem for Cameroon government, channel it. You get a mayor, you get a parliamentarian. Talk for them. Me, I need to work for government, but I get the connection for government. I get the connection. Yes, I get the connection. All the home ministry there for my back. All for Cameroon ministry there for my back. The Magat, all they with me. They secure. Look me what I do and look. I'm gonna tell you. I need ever and ever. I will never do it. Listen and listen good. Me, whether you push me, I don't ever look and say, okay, hey, the boy don't push me, I get enmity. I digress. I take the grievous, we don't get me, I can't hurt you. I will never do that. I always speak the truth. I will never and ever in this life, in this whole world, ever say maybe we don't get problem. I can't put a picture for do some kind of thing. I will never do it. No one day. I will never do it. I never be that kind of thief. I never be that kind of man. Because they see the Amber boys that have road and they run, they see me, they fear. That's why I look at as well as Charlotte. I know if you do it because my brother they be manipulated, they be poorly educated. My brothers and sisters, there is nothing like independent. That is simple. So they don't transform our brain. But I think those are the reason now. There is no country for this world really support Ambazonian terrorism. That's the simple truth. I could thank you very much, my country people. I love you plenty. Once again, I'll sit down and say, "Una sorry, una die hard." May all we will shit down, we'll fight this thing. We won't forget about fear. Yeah, we get power past the border. How many amber picking a day? How many black legs a day? When I say black, I say fight for your freedom. That's how we turn and black say fight for your freedom. We need to fight for our freedom. We need to fight against Ambazonian terrorism for our people. Our people are dying every day. Our youth are all dying every day. Now we the losses. Now we the losses. Now we. The minute they were there for them, they die. Now see Anglophone picking them, now we the losses. The person they kill and black, now see Anglophone picking them, losses. You know what Cameroon government for no nothing. You know stop their resources for no way, tell now. You know stop Cameroon government get excess money. Forget about the team there for Europe. We don't stop push place. They say make una either be ungovernable, una the kill una on the everyday. As una dollar for one no, as soon as they suffer. Sudan be fighting away. After all the fight, they give the independence to happen. No get even one house to stand up. It be destroy all. They give the independence. They be the rest. They been about 2 years. They start fight back. We never get country. They kill ourselves every day. Then when they give we, how go be? They get to the cause you want, do the cause you want, the cause you want, the cause you want because of money, because of greed. I go come expose all the things for now. Now country man junior. I be there inside the house of heaven. I will find that me am the biggest voice. Down the road. The day I surrender, they will come out and put my hand for up to put gun for down. You know what happened? It destroyed Ambazonian revolution for more than 60 to 70%. Because people they will look up to me. People they don't get hurt. They be free enough for we. Then like I say, change, they might feel live and high. They check sense. From there, any man get sense. You know how many people I don't talk for them, they don't live this struggle. When they do for play, they don't do them. When they don't wrong with Nigeria, they don't there around. The day they don't, because they hear for me. Do you know they don't drop their gun, there's so plenty. When they call me, they talk for them. I tell you, I know that I'm not social media. I want to come make me know, no. If you man boy enough, take a debate with me. Call me for any platform, any TV station, I'll be there. Any day, any time, any month, any hour. More debate publicly, make the world see we. Ask me a question or ask you a question. Let's talk about the revolution, about the Ambazonian terrorism. More see who be who. You don't get students for granted, you don't even know who be who. You just get fake information, you can't talk. Papa, no, you're not here. My brother, that thing no pass. Now, no, she make the flag picking the surrender every day. Pass what they come on, pew, pew. But they hear my club talk, so they shake. My brother, they love me. Yet to tell you now, I be there, I be hero, they respect me. I don't go ever kill them, no one, but I will help them for life. I will help them because I understand my brother. Because I don't see the light. I was blind, but now I don't see. I need to help them. So thank you, my country people. I don't want to take on time much. I go to count with time and the time. I want to see the sun shining. And when me, I make my when me, I make my hole, now fire. Don't make a man unleash my fire for you. Change. I be going at 10 days. I say change. I don't start time. Una change. The day for gap because they're long. I know. No. Una change. You know how many excommunicated? The day they get the one where they know them. All the people don't resign. They know them. So I'm gonna say Bodu. I know them. Bodu. We know all the things them. All. They will bring her all, we will bring and come for you all. I speak on the Bible, calling my brothers. So thank you very much, my country people. May God bless you now. I thank you now for all the support. Una the support this platform. Thank you now for everything. May God bless you now. And may God continue to keep you now. But please, my people, my country people there, una stand up. You want people, let's fight for our freedom. Let's fight. Forget about fear. Let's fight. Forget about fear. Forget about anything. Let's fight. This Amba picking they die every day, not picking they die. They can't kill no one, that they die. That's why they are picking every day they enjoy. Now with the losses, my brother them. When the kid on black. Now with the losses, when they think and go, she don't say rather you cry, say why I go do this kind of thing for them, my brother, I go kill my brother, I go keep papa, I go keep picky, I go kill sister. You go regret them. My brother, me money no push, we go do madness. I speak only the truth. I stand here for saving a life. I not stand for anything because I love una plenty. I take the risk, I take the everything to stand for you for now. When I look like the celebrity, I've been a celebrity. No be na magic, you think you can do it. Come on for that bush, you can do it. Do what they do, you can do even more than me. Yes. No be na magic. My brother will not come out. You not save una life. Give people the food and not for nothing. Una come and save una life. Can't get the amnesty. No be na trap. Una the year, una the siam. The family for people they come for year. Did the asset. People they come play ball for nearly every day. I don't know someone they play ball for me. When they come out, different cast on turn, feel free, feel free, boy, enjoy ourselves. Go out, enjoy ourselves, drink and feel free. Their family go can't visit, they come out to go visit their family. It's not a prison, it's a choice. My brothers, save your life. Who not die for nothing. So they die every day. Who don't remember una? Who know una? On picking day, for Europe. I but on picking day for Europe. My brothers, may we reason. Time don't wish una get sense. Where my brother, they won't go get sense. When? Una they die every day, they cry every day. I don't carry that gun, not to do for that gun. None of it fight. Wait till some of you don't start with some of you get them. But they give una now. I don't know. Yeah. Now what I call me, he talk over for now. Say respect me, I be hero. He respect me today. And I ever respect him. I respect a human being alive. But I don't respect my way to say what I say me go. I might tell now. Any human being, now yeah, fine. Any human being, what I be who for me. I don't care. As you stand, you say my way for bush, me go carry them gun, go die. You my enemy go down. That's the promise I promise you. You will go down. If you find for me to go carry that gun, you push me go carry the gun. For how many years old? 10, 15 years? 12 years old? 16 years old? Picking them? You never get on to their brain? You give them drugs? They don't consider what the smoke bang show now. What a madness, my people. What a madness. What a madness. Why? When? When I go reason, my people. When I save the picking their life. Catch them by for go gam. You know go kill them. We will keep him alive safe. Because of the big confused, my brother, nobody will kill you. When they see video, people they cry. Say, we they fine. Comfortable, fine. When I come. When I can't join with manage, if this small, if there's no more to the small go chop am, me all she don't manage them. Small go share them. I no greedy, what they call una. I no greedy. I wish she don't be quiet. How that she don't. I no greedy. How that they call una put my face. When I come stand on una brother, more they manage. Small, no allow be safe. So when I go back for school, when I enter the military, when I enter, when I do anything for una life, this thing will take you nowhere. It's only destruction. No construction, Amazon, only destruction. You destroy your own future. Tomorrow you will regret them. Destroy your own life. Destroy your own property. Destroy your own sister. Your own brother. I tell you, you destroy your own. Please, my brothers, more reason. Thank you very much. Now, continue, Junior. I will see the calm time and again. I will use the opportunity to thank Yannick Sikot. Thank Nambere. Thank King of Red Dragon. Thank my brother Kawai Yannick. Thank Betus. Thank Dr. Success Nkungu. All the people that don't make peace come for this country. Thank you so much. Thank all the black legs, all the IDPs, Douala, Yaoundé, Boya, Kumba, any people on a day, we don't seek refuge for all of this struggle. I thank you for your support. We don't rely on our effort. We take this thing for a bold step. Hold our hand. Forget about fear. My refugees are from Nigeria. My sister them. When I come back home. Please. Nobody already come back home. There's nothing like that. When I come back home. My brothers them. When I leave that God, will save our lives. Save some properties then. Save some lives then for this man. Forget about what you don't do. For struggle and war, the kind of thing they need to count what you don't do. The atrocity the way you don't do. Forget about what you don't do. I'm not being a trap. No money they kill you. They integrate people every day. They don't integrate the first batch. The second batch, she come very soon. They can't integrate them. Again, very soon. They don't integrate the second batch. You remember Bush do it. They don't launch 60 people for Libya. They don't launch them. Now open enough for youth there for enter more work better on the future. They work their own work better their life. They told them no work. When I do so, they fool for nothing. How many don't die? How many the ambassador they don't take care of now? They don't even know now they die. They don't even get on a name. They don't even know that person. They don't allow tip general the way they even call them, text a message for WhatsApp, Facebook, talk with them. And they tip body, no, they don't know now. My brother don't save una life. They don't lie with tire. They don't chop money tire. Una reason save una life. Una don't be a slave for the work for the other. Say government understands say una be own. The president for the country need youth them. No one wanna die. We no plenty. We don't die too much, papa. Why they go die for nothing now? Why? Una come out. Why they die for nothing? Yeah, my brother there. If you someone tell me what for talk, nobody talk my opinion. I talk now out of experience. Because I don't be for that butch. I don't come up for that butch. I don't for that butch. I call you, no be na trap, no be na money. Na money no be cast na for the talk of carry found for bush and owner. But no fit do am because love una na city. You can enjoy to with me. Ma to na so na I'm gonna for you fine. We don't know tomorrow. You can be a minister in this country. You go for that bush. You waste your life for nothing. You begin to go school for Europe. You see anything today where they talk for life guy daughter they for corner. For say you on there. On there road die live as well. So I'm about to die with their home I do belly. You know, no one Amazonian diaspora don't know how they live. They don't frustrate. Where my people, my brother them? Where when they fight for waiting? Oh God, what a madness. Well, thank you very much, my country people. I thank the king of all the black leg, Igwe, the countryman himself. God bless you for the good work we do for this country. God bless you so much. I thank you. May God be with you and continue to guide you, for show you the good way. I thank all the Cameroonians for the amnesty I give we, for accept we back for society, for help the government, for reintegrate you back for society. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you now. I'm not going to ever stop for thank you now. I apologize. May God bless you now. Thank you now very much. We need to come back home. We need for come up those who come for our villages. There's a lot of people that embrace where my sister have for you. My sister they do a shower because of frustration. We don't know what to do. My woman they suffer for nothing. For no not to say IDP, my brother, the one I know get saying. Now wait, it happened. Thank you now very much. I'm very sorry. I want to some journalists will clown. Yeah. So you know, so man of verse man for put them. So that's the simple truth. Thank you very much, my country people. May God bless you now. I will wrap up. I will see you now again. Time and again and again and again. I will see the same every day, every day, every day. Thank you very much for your support. God bless you now.